Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your basic couples photos into like a photo shoot. So add in your picture, preferably a selfie, so that you can see a really big difference. This is just the photos I have. It is formal though. This is just some random couple. You're just going to add this into Gemini and make sure you select the Create Images tool. Select Submit, and this is what it should look like at the end. Super cool like photo shoot at the beach. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And again, the prompts will be in the description box down below. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and make this yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.